Sis mga Tutski, good morning. Today is Saturday. It's a very nice, good weather here in Northern Ireland. Hey, sunny day. So we have 40 miles of spin today. So like more than 70 kilometers. Again with PCC. So enjoy the view. Bye. So mga Tutski, nandito na tayo sa Fort Down. So 8:38. Just have 12 minutes left para mag-jump up. Kulang yung hangin, no? Buti na bantayan natin. So again, good morning mga Dudski. So ayan, we move out na kami. Saturday morning, sunny day. Yeah.
Morning, Red. I'm sick waiting on you.
Ang ganda ng weather mga Dudski. Sunny day. So ayan, nandun yung kasama namin sa likod, no? Kasi yung chin niya hindi agad napasok sa pag-shift niya. So nabitin. Kasi yung dinadaanan namin ngayong gabi yung Apel papuntang Arma. So 24 miles now going to Arma. We're still running 24 miles. So ayan mga Tutski, nandito na kami sa Arma. County Arma. Let's go. Mga Dutski, yan, dito na kami sa Arma. So coffee time muna. Tapos balik na lang ng Fort Down. We are running now at like 30 miles or like maybe 50k or 60 km now. So ayan, maganda na panahon ngayon. So shout out to
Got a minute.
Because you're partially of mood.
So this is now. We are now in Germany.
Stop battery safe mode.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Your battery must be near flat.
So we're still checking the road, no?
Battery safe.
So we will lose.
Cheers.
This is the part of the cycling. Too much cattle. Hey, see you Monday.
There,
Hey, from Apollo.
From Apollo.
Apollo Cycling Club. Logan. Hey. Nice meeting you. Water.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah. So mga Dutski naman, so we done our Saturday PCC cycling spin. So at this moment I'm running 48.39 miles. So maybe I think it's more than 70 kilometers now. So again we meet another cycling guy from Apollo Cycling Club in Lurgan. I forgot Matter. They are same club with Peter, my friend and ABP. So ayan. So punta muna tayo ng Itaw. So ayan, pauwi na tayo. Tapos na tayong mag-lunch sa Itaw, isa sa mga restaurant dito sa Rushmere ng Kyrgyzstan. So going back home now. Uy, may bago na palang Lidl dito. May bagong Lidl, oh, yan oh. Mga Katutski, oh, bagong Lidl dito sa mga Rushmere. Sa baba. Yan oh. Lidl. Tama ba yan? Lidl. Iwas ko basta Lidl. Yan. Kunting ikot muna tayo dito sa Kyrgyzstan Lake para magkahaba-haba yung miles natin. So ayan, ito yung Kyrgyzstan Lake. Yan. May naliligo din mga bata, yan, oh. May laruan din. Ewan ko lang kung mayroon bayang-baya dyan. Yan, oh, tatalo na yung mga bata ngayon. Ayan, ang saya ng mga bata. Ayan, oh, yung Kyrgyzstan Lake. So ikot muna tayo saglit, tapos uwi tayo. Let's go. Malawak din tong Kyrgyzstan Lake. Hanggang paikot yan. So let's go. Saturday morning. Ganda na panahon. Kung may bag lang sana tayo mga katutski, para makadali talaga tayo ng isa dito. Kung may bag tayo, you know, backpack. So yun mga katutski, so we done. We're running total km 90 kilometer of Saturday spin for the Down Cycling Club. So again, tomorrow morning, let's see. Di ako sure, no? Pero let's go. So ayan, and watch out mga katutski, and shout out everyone.